In the previous videos, we've talked about cleaning out your pantry and also cleaning out your house. It's unfortunate in this world that we are just surrounded by all kinds of classes of chemicals that can affect our health. These can be carcinogens, heavy metals, radiation, hormone disruptors. Luckily, on this way of eating, you're actually going to be able to purge these chemicals out of the body better than most people. But I am going to warn you that it is not a way to get rid of possibly decades of exposure to chemicals. For me, I lived in an area 20 years ago with very, very dangerous drinking water. And when I had recent testing, it showed that those chemicals were still in my body. The good thing is there is a very gentle way to remove toxins from your body. It can be as simple as putting a teaspoon of baking soda in water with some salt every day. It can also be eating small amounts of cilantro every day. We want to do it gently and softly. If you need additional support, testing might show it, or you might know from past history that you've been exposed to something. A great way to do that is through an infrared sauna.